Hey, this is Nate. Thanks for reaching out on Facebook. Got your site pulled up here. Just kind of wanted to give you a quick review, some tips and tricks, a few little pointers. Scrolling down through the site, the overall layout on the site looks really good. There's not a lot of content here. We recommend about 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. With Google, content is king. They want to see those keywords and keyword phrases that people are typing into Google organically in the content on your page. It's not the only way to be found for a particular keyword, but it is the easiest and fastest way for Google to pick up those keywords and know that your site is relevant to what people are searching for. Google is in it for the end user. When you Google something, they want you to find the right answer, so next time you need something, you come back to Google and look again. So I've got your site pulled up in one of the quick SEO scanners that I use. Your title tag and your H1 tag are two of the most important things that Google is going to look at. So right here, you've got top Raleigh, roof cleaning, pressure washing, and then your company name. Your title tag should not be more than 70 characters, and right now you've got 90. So I would do Raleigh pressure washing, and then a dash, roof cleaning, and then a dash, and your company name if you can fit that in. If not, just do Raleigh pressure washing, and then a dash, and your company name. You want that first part to say where you're at and what you do. Keep it short and sweet, and you want your company name in there for branding purposes. Down here with your H1, do the same thing. Short and sweet. You want your main keyword in there. So do Raleigh pressure washing as your H1 tag. And then, on your service pages, say you've got a service page specifically about roof cleaning. Do Raleigh roof cleaning, Raleigh house wash. Use those as your H1s on your service pages. And that way those pages may rank separately from the home page for those specific services. Going back to your site, just to show you where it is, let me find it. I'm looking for that H1 tag right here. This is your H1 tag right here. So I would change that up and just do Raleigh pressure washing or Raleigh NC pressure washing and take the rest of that out. As you build out your service pages, that's where you'll use some of those other H1 tags and things like that on those back service pages with very specific location and what service that page is about. Just to kind of give you a quick example, I typed in Raleigh NC pressure washing. These are your first organic listings. And as you can see, most of these say pressure washing Raleigh, pressure washing Raleigh, pressure washing Raleigh. They've all got what they're doing and where they're at, which kind of shows you the importance of having that in there for that title tag. So right below that is your meta description, which on your site is right here. This is what your current meta description is. You want to get those keywords in there. You want the company name in there. If you don't tell Google what you want that to be, they just kind of pick the first paragraph on your website and put it there. So you do want to make sure to get that in there. What you've got's not bad. So, if you don't want to change that, I wouldn't do anything with it. But you do want to, you've got your pressure washing, you've got Raleigh, you've got your company name. So that part looks pretty good. I've also got you pulled up on Ahrefs, which is another tool that we use. These are the keywords that you're currently showing up for. Pressure washing, Durham NC. There's 40 people a month looking for that. You're currently in the 36th position, which is on the 4th page. But those are the type of keywords I like to see. Where you're at, what you do. I generally put the city first because there are some other things that we do within SEO to help rank your site that having the city first is going to make it easier on our end. And Google's smart enough to know that if you want to be found for Raleigh pressure washing, that you also want to be found for pressure washing Raleigh. So you can switch those around. But, like I said, here's the position that these keywords are ranking for. Here's the total search volume in those areas. So definitely something, you've got a good start. You've got good keywords in there, gutter cleaning Raleigh. 100 searches a month, but you're on page 8. So we could pick through some of these keywords that you're already showing up for that have the higher search volume and really focus your first couple months of SEO, if we were to come in and help you with that, on ranking higher for those specific areas and keywords. But, you know, if you got any questions, you need any help, website design, SEO, logo design, that's all stuff that we can do. I specifically like to work with pressure washing and detailing companies because I myself have owned an auto detailing company since 2007, and I really want to help, you know, people in my business or related to my business grow themselves. So if you got any questions, reach out. I will talk to you later. Thank you for your time.